Welcome to another Tech Help Quick Tip video brought to you by AccessLearningZone.com. I am your instructor, Richard Rost. I've been trying to do one of these shortcut keys quick tips at least once a week, but I've fallen behind. I haven't done one in a couple weeks. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do Ctrl-PgUp and Ctrl-PgDn to move between records. So here I am in my blank customer template. You can download a copy of this for free from my website, by the way. If you open up a continuous form like this customer list form, you can use Ctrl-PgDn to move up and down the records like that. Right? Tab goes to the right. You can use the left and right arrow keys, but the up and down arrow keys just do the same thing as the left and right. So you have to use Ctrl-PgUp and Page-Down if you want to move between the records there. These keys also work in a regular single form, Ctrl-Page-Down and Ctrl-PgUp to cycle between the different records. Now it's a little different because page up and page down also go between records in a single form, but if you use a continuous form and you do page down, it goes down a whole page of records. So that's kind of confusing. See, page down and then page up, page up. So use Ctrl-PgUp or page down. That's the one that I am used to. Now I've got to admit, I did a tech help video earlier today to move up and down with the keys, and that kind of prompted me and reminded me, hey, I should do a shortcut video in a while because I haven't done one. In the Tech Help video, I mentioned the Ctrl-PgUp and Page-Down, but I also show you how to make your own buttons. So you can make a button that says Next and Previous, and then you can go Alt-N for Next or Alt-P for Previous. And then in the extended cut for the members, I show you how to actually capture the keyboard events so you can just use the arrow keys and move around in your continuous form just like it was an Excel spreadsheet. So that's the extended cut for my members. But that's your shortcut key quick tip for today. Remember, only try to learn one of these a week. Don't try to learn too many of them. Add it to your routine and increase your productivity slowly. For more tips like this, visit my YouTube channel or my website, AccessLearningZone.com.